Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington, D.C., I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
This stretch of the Las Vegas Strip has been one of Hollywood's favorite filming zones for decades, and it shows in how many productions have used these resorts as part of their stories. One of the most famous examples is Ocean's 11. The Bellagio was central to the plot. Its casino floor, hallways, and especially the fountain area became the visual heart of the final scenes. That same area appears again in Ocean's 13, which continued the tradition of using the Bellagio as the core of its Las Vegas imagery. Another film that returned to this part of the strip was Focus, starring Will Smith. Several of the Las Vegas sequences were shot in and around the Bellagio, using the area's combination of modern architecture and luxury to frame scenes including gambling, misdirection, and high-stake risk. The fountains, the lobby areas, and the exterior facades all play into the film's style. Comedies also found their way here. The Hangover features the strip throughout its storytelling, and while it spans many hotels, the shots of the characters moving along the central corridor cemented it in Las Vegas film history. The contrast between the formal architecture of the Bellagio and the stylized French-themed Paris Las Vegas provided exactly the kind of visual backdrop the movie used to underline its over-the-top storyline. Another production using this area was Lucky You, a poker-focused drama that filmed several sequences around the Bellagio's fountain pool and surrounding walkways. The movie leaned heavily into the casino atmosphere, making this part of the strip essential for its setting. Likewise, 3,000 Miles to Graceland used the same corridor in multiple shots, relying on the recognizable skyline formed by Bellagio, Paris, and the surrounding resorts. Paris Las Vegas also appeared in the incredible Burt Wonderstone. Its themed facades, the Eiffel Tower replica, and the resort frontage are all visible in scenes involving magicians trying to outdo each other. That location shows up again in Think Like a Man 2, which used interiors and exteriors of Paris Las Vegas as part of the ensemble comedy's Las Vegas sequences. Even films outside the heist or comedy genres have used this area. Jason Bourne includes strip footage taken in this general corridor, showcasing the neon skyline during a chase sequence. Another example is What Happens in Vegas, where much of the surrounding resort architecture was used to establish the feel of the city. And long before modern blockbusters, classics like Viva Las Vegas made the strip iconic in film, helping introduce this entire area to global audiences. A few other productions have included this stretch as well: Showgirls, Miss Congeniality 2, Rush Hour 2, The Trust, Paul Blart Mall Cop 2, Get Him to the Greek, and Honeymoon in Vegas. Each of them uses the recognizable look of this part of Las Vegas, sometimes for glamour, sometimes for parody, sometimes simply to say this is the strip without a word of dialogue. Altogether, this corridor around the Bellagio and Paris Las Vegas has become one of the most filmed locations in the city. The architecture, the famous fountains, the themed facades, and the destiny of landmarks make it a natural choice for directors who want unmistakable Las Vegas visuals, whether it's a heist, a comedy, an action sequence, or a romance. This stretch of the strip has appeared again and again, making it one of the most cinematic pieces of real estate anywhere in the world.
Takes like 2 hours to walk through that place.
They have that process called like that thing.
I feel like Coop's massive process.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.